Jane Cleland, 5 things to know about snorkeling. Number 1, it's quiet. Diving with the breathing apparatus, it's loud. Snorkeling's quiet. Number 2, you can go at your own pace. I often float. Very peaceful. And that relates to number 3. The more still you stay, the more you see. Fish are very good at camouflage. If you're looking at the sandy bottom and you see something move, that might be a flounder. I saw an octopus move over to a rock formation and, like that, change colors to match the rocks. You could barely see him. A green moray eel hidden among green algae. Fabulous. Number 4, concentration works. The more you focus on the details, the more subtlety you see. Beautiful. And finally, number 5, the colors. I like blue fish, electric blue, opalescent blue, iridescent blue. How about a stoplight parrotfish? All of those blues and neon pink and huge, bright swaths of yellow. Gorgeous. But I do like blue fish. I hope that you'll give snorkeling a whirl if you haven't before. It's very special. And if you liked this 5 things to know, take a look at the others. There's other information of interest to writers on my YouTube channel too. Frequently asked questions, 1 to 3 minute answers to nuts and bolts questions, offering very specific practical tips. We release one each Wednesday, and if you subscribe, you'll get it automatically. I hope you'll do that. It opens up features for us that lets us make those videos even more valuable for you. And do like it, share it. You'll find other things on the YouTube channel too, long-form interviews with industry experts, literary agents, editors, best-selling authors. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.